Create a folder called JavaScript. In JavaScript folder, you have to create some more folders. Okay, folder is created. Go inside JavaScript folder. Create one more folder called basic. 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 Create one more folder. Data binding. Create one more folder. Basic, then data binding. One more folder called API. First we'll spend on basic. Second we'll spend on data binding. Third we'll go for the API. Fourth we'll go for the Ajax. And the fifth will go for the class object. Create this file folder. Basic. First folder is basic. Second folder is data binding. Third folder is API. Fourth is Ajax. 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 Fourth one. Created these are folders. Basic, data binding, API, Ajax, as well as class object. Now VS Code is installed for everyone. Open your VS Code. Open your VS Code. VS Code. Okay, VS Code is open. Go to the file and click on open folder. Go to the file and click on open folder. Go to the file and click on open folder. You need to select your basic folder. Go to your JavaScript folder, select the basic and click on select folder. Click on basic and click on select folder. Click on basic and click on select folder. Selected. Basic folder you click and click on select folder. So basic folder will load here. In JavaScript left hand side, your basic folder will get loaded. Okay, basic folder is ready. Now after that, we will create the file under the basic folder only. So first see how to create the file and how to run the file. Before checking that, go to the terminal and click on new terminal. Terminal and new terminal. Terminal and new terminal. In the new terminal, you will select from here. You will write here in the new terminal node space -v. Node space -v and enter. Node space -v and enter. Which version is showing? 18. 18.1. Anyone node is not recognized? Anyone get message not recognized? Have installed the Node.js? When? Today or yesterday? After installing, have you restarted the system? Maximize the screen. Maximize that. Go to the file. Where you created? Where you have created? You remember? Which drive? I can leave that. Go here and show me where you have created. It is in the where? It is in the project. But where is that project? Minimize that PC. Folder also you should know how to create folder. This one is here. This is here. Anywhere you created that. It is on the desktop. Can you see that? It is on the desktop. Go here. Go to the desktop. Then JavaScript is somewhere. In JavaScript, select the basic. Click on OK. You have not clicked on what I told you. I told you to click on open folder and then go to the here's the JavaScript folder. Click on basic, then right here. Now you can follow. 16. Okay, so everyone should have 14 plus version. 14 plus version only will support. Less than that version will not support your React and all. So this is we checked how to check the version. Okay. This is you understood how to check the node version. So what we have done, we gone to the terminal, then selected the new terminal, and then we wrote here node space -b. Then we got the version of Node.js. Node space -b, we wrote like this on the node space -b and enter. It was giving the Node.js version. Okay, next after this, come to the left hand side. Basic folder is by default loaded. You have file, you have folder, you have refresh, then you have collapse and end option. You will click on file, first one. Click on file and write the name called 1.js. 1.js. File name 1.js. .js, enter. 1.js and enter. In this 1.js file, let's write a small line. Console.log. Welcome back. Welcome back. Or welcome JavaScript. Okay, you can say console.log. Console is the class name, log is the function name. Using the log function, you are printing a statement. Entire is console.log. It is used to print a statement in the browser. It used to print a statement in the browser. Not browser, in the console. In console, like you can say CMD. I'll show you how the console look. Okay. Next, after that, return the file, return something, console.log, then welcome JavaScript. Now we need to run this file. So to run the file, you will go to the terminal again and click on new terminal. And here, new terminal will open. Here we have to write node space, your file name. What is the file name? 1. Make sure this is pointing to the basic folder. 1.js is optional. You can write also, you can delete also. Node space 1.js, enter. It is printing welcome JavaScript. Node space 1.js. It is printing welcome JavaScript. Error. Okay. So, node is not recognized. You have installed the Node.js. Then today or yesterday. After installing, you restart the system. Restart. It will work. You will see also not working. You have not saved the file. You should save. Control S. No, check again. Up arrow key can press directly. It was already typed in the before, right? Up down arrow key will help you to come to the previous command and next. So in VS Code, you can see in the file menu. In the VS Code in file menu, if you scroll down, there will be an option called auto save. Click on that. In file menu, you have option called auto save. Auto save. Yes. Auto save. So once you write the code, after writing the code, automatically save. Auto save, automatically save will happen. Okay, auto save is enabled. Now page is running for everyone. It shows here welcome JavaScript. Okay, so this is the way to write the JavaScript code and run the JavaScript code for 1 week. Till we are under the basic folder, we will create the file, we'll write the code, and like C programming, will run through the CMD. Okay, now come again, make it little easy. Go to this folder, your basic folder. Go to the basic folder, and in basic folder, do the right click and check, are you getting this option? Open in terminal. In the basic folder, after doing the right click, this option is coming. Open in terminal.
Yes, sir. Open it.
Window 11 is not there, right? Your window 10. Okay, so now see for everyone. Now click here. If the terminal was not coming, leave that. First you go to your basic folder. After going to basic folder, click in this address bar. Click in this address block. Click. After clicking on that address block, you will delete everything from there. And then you will type called CMD. CMD. Okay, enter. Your CMD will open now. And the CMD will point to the basic folder directly. CMD open. Which folder it is pointing to?
Basic, it is not sure.
It is showing here called JavaScript and then basic. So hope the CMD open in basic folder. 1.jpg, 1.js also we have created under the basic folder only. The 1.js is also in basic and this CMD is also in basic. So from here also how we run the other programming code in the CMD, similar way you can write here. Node space your file name. What is the file name? 1. .js is optional. You can ignore that. Just write the file name. Node space 1. Enter. It will display the output in the CMD directly. Everything printed. Okay. Not installed or only downloaded. It is saying to not is not available. Is minus 2. Is not in the copy. We'll wait 2-3 minutes for 2% installation is going on. Yours is installed, working also. Okay, let's wait for this 2%. Okay, now we'll look into the VS Code. CMD don't close, okay? Now you can run your file from two places. One is from the terminal, new terminal, and another one is from the CMD. From both the places, we can run the file. Okay, now come inside the same file, 1.js file, write some more line, console.log HTML, write one more line, console.log CSS, write one more line, console.log JavaScript, console.log bootstrap, copy and paste manually. Right. Why we are writing? Because you should be in the practice. Console.log again, you should not do the mistake while writing. Again, come to the CMD. Right here, node space. Node space your file name 1 and enter. Welcome JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all are printing. Console.log. Okay, hope printed. Now leave this file, create another file. Next file you write called variable.js or maybe 2.js, 2.js. Next file 2.js. In 2.js, we can write again in 2.js. Write a variable var. In JavaScript, we can create the variable using our variable. Don't write in this. Let's write again console.log. Console.log Bangalore /t Mumbai /t Pune /t, right? /t will help you to apply the tab. /t will help you to apply the tab. How much? 4 space. /t will help you to apply the tab. From computer tab, from the computer keyboard, when we press the tab, 4 space will come. In JavaScript, we have a /t. Using the /t, we can achieve 4 space. Just we need to write /t. Wherever you write /t, 4 space will come. 4 space will come. Okay, next after that, run the page through CMD. You can come again and you can write here node space file name 2.js. Node space file name 2.js or .js you can leave. just write node space 2. Enter. It will print Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi. Okay, come down. Now again, write in the same file some other console.log. Console.log. Give the same city name, and put there /n. Instead of /t, apply the /n, /n, /n. /n will break the line. Now run the page again. You will find the line is break. /n, line break happen. Save the file, again run it. /n, node space 2. You can see Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, all are printing in the new line. So /n for what purpose? To break the line in JavaScript. /t for what purpose? To give the tab O space together using JavaScript. Okay, so you can write in this file as a headline. Console.log. The /n and /t example. /n you should write after one space so that it will print /n. Okay, done. /n/t. Now that /n is working or not? /n is not working here. Why? Because between /n and space is given, becomes a string. Here /n t you given the space, become a string. Slash is not printing, n is printing. Okay, /n/t. Now come for the next file. Next file will guide us for the how to create the variable in JavaScript. How to create variable in JavaScript. 3 working or error? Working. 3.js. In 3 file, write console.log variable in JavaScript. In JavaScript variable, you can create through 3 methods. In that 3 method, the first method is var, var. In other programming language, you write int, float, char, something, something. In JavaScript, you will not write that all. You will follow only one call var. Whether variable is integer, float, number, or anything, everywhere will follow the var. So var, suppose a equal to 100. So you can say a become as a variable with the integer data type, number data type. In JavaScript, we have number data type. Come down, write one more v, variable b equal to something 200. Now come down, print the variable. Okay, b you keep as a, okay, let it be one more variable you create. C equal to no, some string value. So C become as a string data type. Console dot log a comma b comma c abc a comma b comma c. A comma b comma c. Next, after that, check this file again in CMD. Suppose in CMD you get a lot of output and your CMD look like overload. You have a command called CLS, clear a screen. CLS and enter. The screen will become clear. Yeah, screen will become clear. CLS on CLS. Okay. Now write node space 3. Says 100, 200 and then value. Now next line we will write. So inside that we saw multiple variable we can print using the comma. Now comma will help you to concat the string and variable also. Console.log the value is comma a. Similar way, the value is comma b. Correct. Similar way, the value is the city is comma c. Run again, it will print the variable with a string. Okay, ready? Now go here, right inside, node space 3. It will print the variable with proper text and message. Now you can write one more line here. The value is plus operator you can use here. The value is a. Using plus operator, also we can concat two statements together. If it is a string, then concatenation will happen. If both are number, then addition will happen. Okay, so ABC. Now check again. Plus is also doing the same work. Okay, so using plus also we can concat. Using comma also we can concat. Plus will help you to do the addition also in JavaScript. Plus will help us for the two purposes. One is now concatenation is happening, and one more task plus can do that is called as a addition. Using plus we can do the addition also, and using plus we can do the concatenation also. Using comma only concatenation you can do, you cannot do the plus. But condition is there for plus. If all the operands are numeric, then addition will happen. If all the operands are numeric, then addition will happen, else concatenation will happen. You can see here. In this line, plus we have used. If you write here, b plus a, what is the value of b? 200. Value of a is 100. So here addition should happen. It should display the output as 300. Because left side and right side, both the operands are numeric. Both are number data type. Okay. Plus says like if your all the variables are numeric, then I'll do the addition. If any of the variable is a string, then I will do the concatenation. So now concatenation happened, not the addition. Okay. At this place, here addition will happen because both the numbers are numeric. 300. Here I can add the plus, or maybe here also we can add the plus. It's 300 is coming. That is called addition, not concatenation. Okay, next file we can create, or maybe in the same file you can write one more point. Okay, so you saw concatenation, you saw the addition also, plus we printed the variables. Okay, create next file, code.js. Code.js. In code.js file, you will compare the variables. Okay, right inside the code.js file, create a variable. Any variable name can create. 600. Write the next variable be equal to 400. Okay, now you will write here console.log if else example. If else example. If else example. You will write console con. Okay, you can write here if a greater than b. If a greater than b. If a greater than b, then console.log the, you can write like this, a is bigger than comma b. So it will say 600 is bigger than 400. Else console.log b is bigger than comma a. A is bigger than b or b is bigger than a. Save this file, run again. Error will not come. Check, you will have some typing mistake. Six hundred is bigger than 400. Printing proper. Okay, hope working. Check. This is the basic programming, basic syntax, basic something. Error working. Okay, come to the next slide. Okay, in that B you have 400, make 4,000. Then see it is saying 4,000 is bigger than 600 or not. Reverse condition. It should go to the else part. 4,000 is bigger than 600. So that is also working well. Now we can create one more file called 5.js. .js file. You will create two variable AB and one more variable called C. 500. Now coming down, write a condition A greater than B, and you can use the operator here called AND. A greater than C, A greater than B, as well as A greater than C. Okay, if the value of A greater than B and the value is A greater than C, here is wrong. Hold on. This one I should not write twice. One time is enough. Then console.log A comma B comma C comma the bigger one, the bigger is A. The bigger is A. Okay, this is one condition for A. Now check for else if. Else, in case A is not bigger than B and C, then one more if condition will apply. A greater than C and not A greater than C. B greater than A, B greater than A, and same time B greater than C also. So the condition is saying first you compare A and B. If A is bigger than B, then check A is also greater than C. If yes, then display A is the bigger value. In case A is not bigger than B and C, then again you have to compare is that B is greater than A and B is greater than C. If yes, then display the message between ABC, BC, the bigger one is B. If both is not bigger, A is also not higher value, B is also not higher value, then directly you can say else. Else console.log, the bigger value is C. Yeah, already error or no error? 4000 is bigger than, oh, this is which file? 4 I'm running. We should run the 5. 600, 4500, the bigger is 4000.
Oops. Good.
Okay. Okay, now let me show you the syllabus part, what we are going to study in JavaScript complete. Working, printing. This will be the syllabus. We will get some explanation part still in the coming class, this portion. We are here. We created some variable. We saw we have to go to the control structure. Inside we will study. One is called condition. In control structure, we learn called condition. It has if else, if, nested if, switch case. Then next will be called as a loop. Loop. This one, loop. Under the loop, you have for loop, while loop, do while, map, for each. This all will come under the loop. Next, after that, function will come. Function. After function, array will come. Array, I think it's written below. Array. After function, array will come. After function, array will come. This one. Inside the array, we have single dimensional, multi-dimensional, nested array of object. All will study in this. Next, after that, function will come. Okay, here function. In the function, we'll study type of function. How many way we can write the function. Okay, so this will go somewhere close to 5 classes. Like today, suppose Monday we enter. Tuesday, okay, today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Till Monday you can be, or till Friday you will be under the this basic folder. So this all we are going to implement under the basic part. In that we'll have idea how to write function, how many way we can write the function, how to handle the data in array, how to read the data from array, single, multi, nested. Then map function, what is that, how it work, for each how it work. Control structure, in that you will get to know the loop, for loop, while loop, do while. You will have call next condition. In condition, if else, if, nested if, switch case. Right? So this all will be covered under the basic folder. Like write the JS file, write the program and run like C++ program. After understanding this part, we will come to the data binding. In data binding, we have to merge HTML and JavaScript together. In that, we will go through the first point, as this option. Then we'll come to the events. We have multiple type of event. Using mouse, what you can do. Using keyboard, what you can do. Correct. Then after that, we have all form related events. We have button body related events. We have. So these all are coming under the events. This all will be doing through the HTML and JavaScript. Next, again, after that, in data binding only, HTML can send the value to JavaScript. JavaScript can send the value to HTML. So how that work? What are the property we have and how that property works? So dot value, dot inner HTML, dot text, this all are going to come. After getting idea, again we'll enter under the array. using HTML and JavaScript. We will enter the value, go to the array. Using array, read, write, update, delete. It's here. Add list, edit, delete. Then again, we will be merging HTML with the CSS with the JavaScript and Bootstrap. Then we'll get some idea on how to store the data in browser history. That will happen through the local storage and session storage. Next, after that, we have to get the data from the backend. For that, we'll set up a JSON server. In that, we will get to know import, export, what is the meaning, sync and await, what is the meaning. API will come. Already have set up a server here. Now from this server, we have to read some data. Then we have to use the API function. Using that, we can read the data, we can write the data, we can update, delete everything. Okay. Then these all are the part of the same. Then again, you have here called Ajax. It is JavaScript HTML, how to communicate with the backend without reloading the page. JavaScript form validation, and then JavaScript class object. Okay, after finishing this all, you will feel you have some knowledge in JavaScript. Okay. It will take some time, slowly you will learn and you will get idea better. One website is there, that website name is called w3schools.com. Okay, so if you have time, go to the JavaScript topic and then spend some time on that. Okay, it has very good source. So in that JavaScript, W3 JavaScript, this thing is not there. What you are writing in CMD, it is not there. Their starting is from here directly. Their starting is from here, directly from the data binding. HTML and JavaScript together. They have not written the separate JavaScript. Now what you are doing, you are writing the only separate JavaScript to understand how to write variable, how to write condition, how to, you can say, do something programming. Overall, how to do the programming in JavaScript. If this all 4-5 days, if you attend properly, then you will have idea of writing the program. Then we will combine those program with HTML and then it will come under the data binding. So don't be absent, attend regular, will be helpful. Right? Okay, we'll see you tomorrow again. Tomorrow we can log in. W3 is a very good platform.